In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or hide taskbar when you are watching YouTube videos on Google Chrome. So when you are watching YouTube videos in full screen on YouTube using Chrome browser, one of the biggest problem is you'll still see the taskbar on your videos. Now to remove this, it's quite simple. Just follow these simple steps. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and right click on the taskbar anywhere here and then click on Task Manager. And from this Task Manager, scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Now, while I'm doing this, if you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. And as you can see, here is my Windows Explorer. Now, once you have clicked on it like this, go ahead and click on this Restart. Now, when you click on Restart, this might go ahead and bring you or show you a blank screen here for some few seconds, 1 or 2 seconds. Don't panic, just wait for this. It is still okay. Now from here, go ahead and restart your Chrome browser and then open your YouTube video on Chrome and watch it in full screen. You will realize that this has solved the problem. So now you'll be able to watch full screen without the taskbar on your Chrome browser. So that's how you can do it using these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.